Hi guys, welcome back to Cilla Stuff and Things. So we're in a different location this week. We are at Target and we are picking things up to send in a care package to Isaiah. He's been at college for a couple weeks now and I just want to make sure he knows we're thinking about him. So come along and maybe I can give you some ideas, and then I want you to comment down below with some of your ideas that you have. So here we go, let's get shopping.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth.
Alrighty, so we got our first little care package. I'm so excited. I also got him a couple of things because he's getting ready to hit 50,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel, and I could not be more proud. I mean, that's a huge milestone. So I got him a couple of things to help celebrate, and I have some things in the works with some of the kids that live with him. So here we go. Alrighty guys, I am home. I'm so excited. This is my first care package that I've ever done for him. Okay, we've got the items. We've got a box secured. Now we have to make it look cute. This is not where I excel in life. I'm not crafty, but I went on Pinterest, got some ideas, and I'm gonna just do what I wanna do. So make your box fun. If you're not crafty, it's fine. Just make it fun. They're gonna enjoy the things on the inside, but I do wanna put in a cute little note and that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna take you along while I put this box together. It's gonna be trial and error, so we may have things in and out, but we'll see how it goes. All right guys, tools I'm gonna be using: a box. I got some pretty different colored tissue paper, a pen, some Scotch tape, packing tape, and maybe we have markers somewhere. I know Summer has highlighters, so maybe that'll work. But that way we can write little things on the inside and stuff. So here we go. First thing up, glow sticks. Who doesn't love glow sticks? I figured that would be fun for their whole floor because they're all hanging out together and getting along so well. I'm so excited for him. He specifically asked for the game Candyland because, again, they are hanging out. They can't hang out with other floors and other people, so the floor's getting very comfortable with each other, which is awesome. What do you mean? So it's more of an adult game, but they're all, college age. What is this 17 plus. It's a fun game. We've played it before, and I thought they would have fun with that. Beef jerky. We're gonna have to get crafty with how to pack all these things. Reese minis, because he loves them. His nuts that he likes. He likes all different kinds. I thought this would be fun to put in the microwave because they have that right in their room. I got him 2 different kinds of the mug treats. Some caramel M&Ms. If you have not tried this peanut butter monster trail mix from Target, do yourself a favor and go pick up some. Roasted pistachio kernels. He loves pistachios, and I figured this would be the easiest way without having to get rid of the shell. We call these Delta cookies because you get them on the airplane, and they're one of his faves. He asked for some Dawn dish soap, which I'm going to put in a Ziploc just in case it comes open. So I figured he also needed some sponges, as well as gum. Who doesn't love gum? And we'll just pack that right in there. This is the perfect size box for this. I'm really excited. I don't know if the mac and cheese is going to fit. I think the pancake on the go will. Yeah, that'll fit. And then he requested air fresheners. and some room spray, so I needed some as well, so I went ahead and ordered some. I get those from Bath and Body Works. Being that he can't have candles, he still likes to have his things smell nice. So, might as well order it for him. We also got him like a cute little shirt. Got it on clearance for $3. So, let's find his. It's not girly. He likes the man scent better. Mahogany teakwood. This is a room spray. I will also put that in a Ziploc. And then I got leaves. I have no idea what it smells like, but I figure it's got to be manly. This is the little wallflower I got him. It's just a black wallflower, and I got him 2 of them. So we will get this all put together, and I'll show you the end product. So I'm just going to put some packing tape on the top of that. And then, like I said, I'm going to put it in a Ziploc. It is going to the mountains and the air pressure changes. And so it's going to be higher elevation. So I noticed when we went up there, some of my things would like explode when I went to open them. So at least it's packaged nice and tight. Oh my gosh, this is like, it's like it was meant for it, you guys. So we'll put some more tissue paper on the top just to give him like a little present to open. I'm gonna fill out the cards I got him, get in the gift card, and that'll be it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know, what do you put in your kids' college boxes? Or if you're a student or if you've been a student, what did you most enjoy? Because I want to do this more often. So thank you guys. I hope you have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.
There is a life I lead in this city.
You know it's a good box when you have to get help. I'm waiting on Asa to come tape it while I hold it. You know, your first one you gotta do big.
Yeah, but then doesn't he expect? Doesn't he expect it every time?
Yeah. If you're super crafty, you could like decorate the whole box. That's not me. And he knows that.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Packaged with love and care. Isn't that fun?
Yep.
Oh, it's gonna be a lot of money to ship.